Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu anhum got into Makkah Mukarramah, whereas the fear of Yasrib had emaciated them. The polytheists said, "Tomorrow those people will come to you whom the fever has emaciated, and it has distressed them." The polytheists were sitting beside Hatim. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon commanded his companions radiyallahu anhum to move struttingly with quick steps during first 3 circuits and walk with normal speed between the 2 pillars, so that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam could exhibit the might of his companions to the polytheists. Seeing it, the polytheists said, "These are the people about whom you said that the fever had debilitated them, but they are mightier than so and so." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not command them to move struttingly with quick steps in all circuits, considering their fatigue. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3048.